Welcome student. Now look at these pictures of Janapada and Mahajanapadas given in this lesson, that is Kamboj, Gandhar, Kuru, Matsya, Shurasen, Panchal, Malla, Vrija, Koshala, Anga, Magadha, Kashi, Vatsa, Chedi, Avanti and Ashmaka. So let us continue get the informations in a tree shape, that is Koshala. The meaning of the characteristics of Koshala or informations of the Koshalas are that the Koshala Mahajanapadas was located in the foothills of the Himalaya in the Uttar Pradesh, Nepal. That time Nepal was not existed. All the parts were to the known as India. The famous cities of Kosala were Shravasti, Kushavati, Saket, uh, and Shravasti was the capital of Kosala. Gautam Buddha had lived in the famous Vihara Jetavana at the Shravasti for a long time. The Kosala king Prasenajit was the contemporary of the Gautam Buddha and Bhagwan Mahavir. Later, the state of Kosala merged into Magadha. Next is Avanti. Avanti nowadays Madhya Pradesh. The ancient kingdom of Avanti was located in Malwa region of Madhya Pradesh. Ujjaini was its capital. Nowadays also it is called as Ujjaini. The city was an important trade center. The king of Avanti was Pradyot, was a contemporary of Gautam Buddha and Vardhaman Mahavir. During the reign of King Nandivardhan, the state of Avanti was merged into Magadha. Magadha was a strong Mahajanapada at the ancient period. It was ruled by the famous dynasty, that is Nanda dynasty. The capital of the Magadha was Rajagir. The king Bimbisara palace was built by the architect Mahagovinda. Jivaka was the famous physician, was in the court of Bimbisara. Bimbisara had become the follower of Gautam Buddha. The Janapada gradually became stronger, expanded their geographical boundaries. Such Janapadas came to be known as Mahajanapadas. From literature of that period, it was that clear that up to the 6th century BCE, 16th Mahajanapadas had acquired a special importance, that is Kosala, Vatsa, Avanti and Magadha were the most powerful Janapada. Rise of Magadha Empire. Ajatashatru, the son of Bimbisara, continued with the policy of expansions of Magadha Empire. He successfully conquered many republics to the east of kingdom, and kingdom of Magadha prosperous during the region of Ajatashatru. He had become the follower of Gautam Buddha. After the Mahaparinirvana of Gautam Buddha, it was during the reign, that is the first Bauddhic council or Sangiti is held at Rajagriha. Ajatashatru's sculpture. We get these informations from this sculpture of Ajatashatru. Okay. And the capital of this Magadha Empire was Patna, nowadays Patna, but name at the ancient time was Patliputra. Patliputra. The noteworthy successors of the Ajatasattu was the Magadha king Shishunag. Next, the kingdom of Avanti, Kosala, Shishunag. He was also an ambitious king. Nearly entire region of the North India came under the control of Magadha. That was how the Magadha Empire took shape. Nanda king of Magadha. The Nandas ruled Magadha Empire between 364 BCE to 324 BCE. They had set up a good administrative system necessary to run a huge empire. They had a huge 4-column army of infantry, cavalry, chariot, and elephant. The Nandas also introduced the system of a standard weight and measures. The king Dhananand was the last king of Nanda dynasty. By this time, the Magadha empire was extended up to the Punjab in the west. Sorry, Punjab in the west. However, during the Dhanananda region, the ambitious youth Chandragupta Maurya won the Patliputra, ended the Nanda regime, laid the foundation of Maurya Empire. In the next chapter, we will read about the foreign invasions of the western and rises of Maurya Empire, and also the Maurya empires in a great detail. So here are the 16 Janapada, Mahajanapadas, that is Kashi, Koshal, Malla, Vatsa, Chedi, Kuru, Panchal, Matsya, Shurasen, Ashmaka, Avanti, Anga, Magadha, Vraja, Gandhar and Kamboj. Gandhar and Kamboj belongs to the Afghanistan. These two. Okay. So we heard these names in Mahabharata. Okay. So Mahabharata was spread from this Kamboj, and there are nowadays Afghanistan, Pakistan. Okay. So students, you have to do the exercise given below. What is meant by Janapada and given below. It is very easy lesson and short lesson. Okay. So now we will stop here.